What's up, guys? I'm back here. I don't really have anything. Anyways, I don't really have anything planned today. Me and that boy Greg, we finna find something to do. You feel me? So I just decided to bring the camera out today and just vlog and see what happens, cause you know you never know what's gonna happen throughout the day. So you know what I'm saying, we got the big boy Greg. Why are you just smiling like that? Oh, and congratulations to Greg. He just graduated on May 12th, and my birthday, I don't know when I'm posting this, but my birthday was May 13th, which is yesterday. So yeah, you know what I'm saying. So yeah, we just out here. Look, the fitment. Boop. Boop, 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 boop. But shut up. But yeah, we finna go find something to do. We finna bro, where's the lighting? We're finna go meet up with the homie Austin real quick, and I don't know, maybe wash our cars, go do something. I don't know. So I'll hit y'all when we reach the Greg's house. We got the boy Austin, yes sir. He ugly.
Bro, I know I am. But don't talk about that, bro. It's gonna be changing soon.
Come on, bro. We trying to make him buy his coilovers today.
Bro,
you're weird.
might buy them today.
No, you're going to buy them today. What? He has the money for that. He has more than enough money for them, but he don't want to buy them yet. Like, it's gonna look so much better slammed.
Yes, I know.
Cause look. Let me show him. He got this on it.
Cause I'm ready to put
No, bro. You got this on it, bro. You gotta cop.
Don't talk about this.
Ooh.
Talk about the dirtiness thing. Yeah. Oof. Bro, look. When you got that much, you know, these are 8. No, yeah, he's 18s by like 9 or 9.5, so they wide. So they stick.
Dang. Well, you gotta lose. You're fine. This a little. You know what I'm saying.
Daily
but come on.
Shut up, bro.
Come on. You gotta cop the coilovers today. You gonna cop it today?
I might.
Today?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Let's get yours.
Huh? What am I doing nice? Psych. I lied. I need new wheels. I need a new lot of stuff. But it's pretty dirty right now. All of our cars are.
Mine's probably the worst.
Yeah.
Well, I don't know. You got bird shit on your car.
Be quiet.
That means it's the shit.
Yeah. That boy Austin, he finna ride a scooter, man.
Which one do you think has more horsepower? Prelude or the Scooter?
The Prelude or the scooter? Should have been asking about the Civic or the scooter.
Look. It's got almost half as long.
Dang, Tesla? Tesla scooter? Okay. Go ahead and ride it. Don't fall now.
Hold on.
Hey, don't get too close to the Prelude. He gone. They're off to the races. Hey, drift. Do a burnout. Okay, hold on. Okay, that man hit that burnout. Yes, sir. Yeah, take off. He gone now. Oh yeah, and the homie Austin, he just graduated too with Greg. You know what I'm saying? Hey, now don't fall now. We don't need no more injury. Nah, he gotta go. Nah. You know what I'm saying? We out here. I don't even know what we planning today. We really just doing some stuff.
What's up, guys? My name's Tyreek, and this is my vlog.
You're ugly.
You're ugly.
We out here.
Hey, why don't you ride the scooter? You know, past experience, you shouldn't be that fast.
No.
What happened last time?
Bro, just press the button.
I'm in Tyreek's car. Just might have to steal it.
Sheesh. And you make a shirt about that.
What?
Sheesh.
I'm not doing that.
Dude, that'd be. You always say it.
No, not no more.
Like, I just bought this car actually. You like it?
For real?
Mm-hmm.
How much did you pay for it?
I don't know. I stole it from someone. I mean, I bought it from someone. Your steering wheel don't want to come off. I mean, my steering wheel don't want to come off.
You don't even know how to do it.
Yeah, I do. I remember. See, this way's. I bought it from Charity Driven. It's 29.
That's not the brand.
Yes, I'm pretty sure it is.
What is it called? It says it right there on the wheel. On the
RG.
That's not NRG, Goofy. It says it on the wheel,
Bro,
not the hub.
mine.
It's 3 letters.
Bro.
Dude, you're so slow.
What do you mean?
Look, give me it. Literally.
I read that
Says it right
all.
there. It says it right there.
Anyway, but I
D&D. You're stupid.
do not destroy me. No, but I bought this car I just bought this car though. It's pretty slow. I mean fast.
Can you drive it?
Yeah.
No. I'm literally on my lunch break, bro. Like, it's crazy. But there's a car meet going on tonight, so I put up with the homie Greg so I can wash my car real quick. Prelude back there. And then out of nowhere, Austin was here. Literally random. Austin, like, he finna go take his graduation pictures. Car meet after I get off of work, so I'm gonna go straight there after work, and yeah. So I'll probably update y'all when I'm washing the car or after.
So Tyreek just pulled in his Prelude. Gonna get all the bird shit off of it. Yes, sir. Let's see what he's doing. What y'all doing over here, bro?
Yeah. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Bro?
Yeah.
What's up, guys? You know what I'm saying? We're out here.
Hey, bro. You better tell me about them wheels.
I don't know what they're talking about, bro. Look at this man working, bro. With the vest on. You already know.
Bro, I gotta hurry up. You know what I'm saying? I got like 20 minutes, so I gotta be back at work. All right. I just got out of work, so I'm finna head over to the car show right now, the little car meet or whatever. Hopefully it's deep. I don't know. I think it said it started at 5 or 6. It's 6 o'clock right now, so hopefully it's a good turnout. Cause I'm only finna be there for like an hour, cause you know I gotta hit the gym. So just wanted to go to the meet, get a little bit more footage. So I'll see y'all when I get there. I have that S2K.
I was just curious if you had to run too on that.
Yeah.
I raised the front on the truck.
Turnkey, everything's fired up with that map he had and everything. It just worked.
I like it. I love the snow.
I know.
We got a little R32.
It smells way better. It doesn't sud as much either.
No. Well, I wouldn't know. You still got to pull it off.
Well, technically, I capped off. We capped off the passengers.
We got the Civic.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. I fully built this one after I had a spark plug. My dumb ass goes ahead.
You know what I'm saying? We out here with the homie Greg. You feel me? Got that. Bro, it's a little sleeper, bro. Like, okay. Got the homie Scott's 86. We out here, we got the homie James. His ugly self. Bro, come on, bro. We got the R33 out. You ugly, bro. Got the R33.
The rig looks good, man. I appreciate it. I still wait, otherwise I still have to pop the step.
Ugly self. We got the R32.
I'm not sitting here waiting on freaking head stuff. I'll put bolts in it if I had to.
Bro, look at this. This is tough. We got the seltzer beside it. That's tough. Ain't gonna lie. We got that clean me up. Huh? Stupid. You finna start up the.
Wait, let the oil pressure go down.
It's a little sleeper. Little sleeper.
One more time.
Sheesh.